And I also have totally 15 years of experience. Started with performance testing, engineering, and now with the product development. Okay. So this course, performance engineering course, has been planned to start from tomorrow or maybe from Monday. Today being a demo class, tomorrow we might start it, or we might start it from Monday, right? So it's going to be between the same time, the way you attended today. It's going to be between 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST, right? Okay, so most of you who are now in the call, I assume that you already have a performance testing background, right? So you might be already doing some level of reporting, right? And it could be Jmeter, it could be LoadRunner, it could be any other tool. So to summarize, the left hand side what I have given, right? That is what I expect you to be already doing it, right? Doing some kind of a scripting and execution in Jmeter, doing some monitoring, preparing your summary reports, getting some level of data from your AppDynamics or Dynatrace, right? That is what you might be doing it already. And there will be a separate performance engineering team who does all these bottleneck analysis and then tuning, profiling, etc., right? So from performance testing, to expand your knowledge, to expand your skill set, right? There are multiple things people expect today. Either you have to be expanding your testing skill set along with performance testing. You can expand your knowledge to automation, security, or accessibility, so that in the agile kind of SDLC cycle, where there are going to be small team who is going to take care of the individual modules. Testing, right? There are going to be right. They call it as a T-shaped skill. Either you have to expand your breadth of knowledge from performance to security or automation testing, or your other area of testing, or you go in depth into your performance. So both are I would say equally useful in today's world, right? So this course is meant for deepening your performance testing skill and going towards a performance engineering area. Okay, so many places, right? What is a main challenge? What at least even I faced earlier is when we are not be able to go and learn that, right? Other way around, the project team also. So the idea of this course is tailored in such a way that from performance testing towards a performance engineer, to confidently go and tell. You can pretty much tell honestly, I haven't worked in any engineering projects, but I have learned on myself because of my passion. I know what is server-side profiling. I know what is client-side profiling. I know how to do profiling using JProfiler. I know how to identify a memory leak, how to identify a CPU hotspots. I know to analyze the if dumps, thread dumps, AWR reports. I know what is the benchmarking process, how to benchmark a JVM. I'm good at APM tool like AppDynamics for deep dive diagnostics, right? And I know how to monitor my server or monitor my application using open source or commercial tools. So if you go and tell that I have done all these things on my own using the tools and using the real-time application, I have done the hands-on, then there is going to be a very big advantage between a person who knows only testing plus the testing plus all these knowledge, right? You will still not be having experience like a 3 years or 4 year experience, but definitely you would be able to expose yourself in such a way that you have a 1 year or 2 year knowledge. Not you're going to fake it, but with this knowledge and hands-on, you are going to be equivalent to one year or 2 experience performance engineer, right? So that is the objective of this performance engineering course, to make yourself good at all these areas, right? So broadly, when it comes to engineering, right, it is going to be system analysis, programming, networking, and testing. You already are a tester, you're doing a testing, so which is covered, which is one part of your performance engineering. And system analysis, it comes everything what I've been telling about so far, right? Everything comes under system analysis. You call it as a performance engineering, or you call it as a system analysis, performance optimization. All these things, what I've listed out or what I've told so far, it will come here. The remaining two things are little tricky. Programming, it's good, but it is not a filing and analysis, and then go and talk to a developer. You're not going to go and just tell response time is high, CPU is high. You're going to go and talk much more deeper, right? You're going to go and tell you're having a leak in this object. You have a problem with this method. So, what is this method? What is the object? What is a class? How a typical program is going to look. How you should be able to confidently go and talk. We are not going to become a developer, but we need to go and confidently talk in a more of a developer language. Right? For that, that is also will be from the application perspective. That will give you confidence in going. And network administration.